In Spanish, papaya is commonly referred to as papaya or fruta bomba. In Portuguese, papaya is commonly called mamão or papaya. In French, papaya is typically called pappé. In Italian, papaya is often referred to as papaya. In German, papaya is commonly called papaya or papaya palm. In Japanese, papaya is typically called papaya or papaya. In Chinese, papaya is commonly referred to as mu gua or fan mu gua. In Hindi, papaya is commonly referred to as papītā. This word is derived from the Sanskrit word pappad, which also refers to papaya. Nutritional benefits of papaya leaves. Papaya leaves are a good source of nutrients and have a number of potential health benefits. They are high in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage and may have anti-inflammatory effects. Papaya leaves also contain compounds that may have antiviral and antimicrobial properties, which may help boost the immune system and fight off infections. Additionally, papaya leaves are a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as various B vitamins and minerals such as calcium and potassium. Some people also use papaya leaves to help with digestive issues, as the leaves contain enzymes that may help with digestion. However, more research is needed to confirm the potential benefits of papaya leaves. Ways to prepare papaya leaves. There are several ways to prepare papaya leaves for consumption. One common way is to boil the leaves and drink the resulting tea. To do this, you can wash and chop the leaves into small pieces, then place them in a pot of water and bring to a boil. Once the water is boiling, let the leaves steep for about 10 minutes, then strain out the leaves and drink the tea. You can also add honey or lemon to the tea for added flavor. Another way to prepare papaya leaves is to juice them. To do this, you can wash and chop the leaves, then put them in a juicer along with any other fruits or vegetables you want to include in the juice. Alternatively, you can blend the leaves with other ingredients in a blender, then strain the mixture to remove any solids. Another option is to add papaya leaves to your diet by incorporating them into dishes such as soups, stews, or salads. You can wash and chop the leaves, then add them to the dish in the same way you would add other leafy greens. Papaya leaves can also be dried and ground into a powder, which can be added to smoothies or other drinks. However, it's important to note that the taste of papaya leaves can be bitter, so you may want to experiment with different preparations and amounts to find a way to enjoy them that works for you. Nutritional benefits of papaya fruit. Papaya is a nutrient-rich fruit that has a number of potential health benefits. It is high in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage and may have anti-inflammatory effects. Papaya is also a good source of fiber, which can help support healthy digestion. Additionally, papaya is a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as various B vitamins and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Papaya is also a low-calorie fruit, making it a healthy choice for people trying to manage their weight. Some people also use papaya for its potential digestive benefits, as the fruit contains enzymes that may help with digestion. However, more research is needed to confirm the potential benefits of papaya. Non-culinary uses of papaya. Papaya leaves have a number of non-culinary uses. In some parts of the world, papaya leaves are used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. For example, some people use papaya leaves to help with digestive issues, as the leaves contain enzymes that may help with digestion. Papaya leaves may also have antiviral and antimicrobial properties, which may help boost the immune system and fight off infections. Additionally, papaya leaves are sometimes used in natural insect repellents or pest control solutions, as the leaves contain compounds that can repel insects. Papaya leaves may also have other potential uses, but more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. Most papaya varieties, including Hawaiian papaya, are self-pollinating, which means that they can produce fruit without the assistance of a pollinator. However, having a pollinator present can still improve fruit production and quality. For example, having bees visit the papaya flowers can help ensure that the flowers are adequately pollinated, which can lead to larger and more abundant fruit. Additionally, having a variety of pollen sources available can lead to more genetically diverse offspring, which can help improve the overall health and resilience of the papaya plants. So while Hawaiian papaya plants can produce fruit without a pollinator, having pollinators present can still be beneficial. Please follow and leave a like and click the notification bell. Instagram @BellGrow.